Alright guys, I got my Poco phone right here. I bought it from the souk.com Abu Dhabi. And let me check, I just opened that and then unbox it again. I'll put my phone here and let's see what I got here inside the box. I got this Poco phone, 128GB. It's a global version and a black, yes. So let's start unboxing it. What we got here, we gonna see inside what we have. Just a second. I will uncover this plastic and throw it here. How do you open it? Now I'm gonna show it to you. Actually, I was developing one website, but at the same time I got my delivery right here. Oh my fucking god, I like it. It's my Poco phone. You know, honestly speaking, I'm shooting with the same Redmi Note 4, which is really old version. It's around 6 year old. So this is my Poco phone. Yes, it's looking very decent. 128 gig. You know what I like inside it? The liquid cooling system and the fucking powerful Snapdragon processor. That's what I want. That's what I want. And the camera, everyone know about it. It's really cool. And thanks souk.com who delivered it really fucking late. And there is something I don't care about it. So that's my phone. I'm not gonna start it again. Alright, thank you so much. Poco.